Hello everyone. So yesterday I went to Ikea. I'm recording this next morning, so you're getting kind of groggily Grace voice. But so we went to Ikea and I don't really know what Ikea, but we went to Ikea. And then we went to a store called Lacey's where they had hoop skirts. And I was picking up Lolita vibes. So I basically went to a Lolita store and a furniture store all in one day. It was really fun. We did go other stuff. I didn't get to film as much because it's kind of awkward filming in public. But I'm putting this in as a filler because I needed a longer video. So I'm gonna have music under this, so you guys can still hear me, but it won't be as exciting as I wish it would be. Who knows, maybe I'll just make a separate video and then just smash it together in a different app. So editing tricks. Anyways, so I did record something, but all you really would see was like the ground because I don't know, it was really awkward to film in those circumstances. So sorry, I'm having my morning allergic reaction right now to everything I've been exposed to within the past 24 hours. Anyways, I'm going to go get ready because I'm still laying in my bed, and even though it is very warm and cozy, I should probably go get up and get ready right now. So I'm gonna stop this recording and hope you enjoy the video, I guess. Alright. Sayonara, peeps. Bye.